You probably didn't get into medicine to stare at a screen all day.
I sure didn't.
That's why Athena's EHR service is designed for maximum efficiency. You can stay focused on delivering the best care when patient visits are organized quickly and accurately, making things easier for you and more satisfying for your patients. Working for you?
Sure is.
And by choosing athenaHealth, you get more than just a good EHR. You also get access to the largest connected network in healthcare. With data from more than 120,000 providers and 106 million patients, Athena can help you stay ahead of the curve with innovative features and solutions based on the millions of interactions that take place on our network every day.
That sounds great, but what about right here, right now, caring for this guy?
Good question. The network helps you get the information you need exactly when you need it. For example, while you're with a patient, Athena looks at what other providers across the network have ordered for similar patients, suggesting additional orders.
Right, I'm going to recommend a corticosteroid injection.
Most providers do. The network also suggests a knee brace.
Let's think about that for next steps.
Athena wants your entire staff doing their most important work. We're constantly looking for ways to take tasks off your plate. Remember paper?
Sure, but I don't miss it.
All that scanning, filing, and shredding didn't just disappear on its own. Your clinical paperwork is now managed through automation and machine learning, as we turn paper documents into electronic information that populates clinical charts. So when your last patient's test results come back, we'll get the results status and flag it for follow-up.
Perfect.
You can also view your patient's records across healthcare facilities, even the ones with other EHRs. Where's this patient been?
He went to urgent care last month.
Wait, how'd you know that?
It's right here on the screen.
Oh.
Not near a computer? Wherever you are, you can view charts, message patients, or place orders using our mobile app. Our goal is to get you moving faster and more efficiently. So we'll let you be on your way. We'll be here when you need us.